Hello everyone, this is Joe Castronovo, I'm an electrician technician, and I'm just showing you my new Veto Pro Pac XL wheeler. So this thing is built rugged, let me tell you. You open this thing up, and you have pretty much pockets to handle every tool that you could possibly want and carry with you, including a drill, and I could still fit a lot more stuff in here. Screwdrivers, pliers, tin snips, you name it, it's in here. It's also got pockets that can hold unibits, whatever you want for small little items. It's got plenty of screw bit holders all along the top, all along the bottom. It literally can handle pretty much any items you want for size and shape. Plus it's got the nice handle that goes up for wheeling it. Goes right down from a button on the bottom. On the sides, it got smaller pockets plus tape holders. Can hold all sorts of items on here. It's got these nice leather straps on the side that you can pretty much handle the weight of anything that you want on them. On the back, it's got this nice rubber cover that, you know, as you're dragging this through job sites and stuff like that, it'll scrape this. It will not ruin your bag. You open up the back side. The back side folds down like this, and then you can fold it again, and you can get pretty much anything you want in there. I carry my meters in here. It's got some nice neoprene cases back here. I carry my sound meter. I carry CO meters, radios, everything that I would need on a job site for fire alarm, testing, maintenance, installs. I can pretty much carry on this bag. On the other side, same thing. It's got a nice tape holder on there, nice and strong. It's got rings that you can handle your keys, screwdriver specialty. This bag pretty much has it all, along with the huge rubber wheels on the side. It'll pretty much handle any job site that you go on. Thanks for listening.